Hi, welcome. I'm Juli. Today you need these cards. We'll be working with food and family members. Is everything ready? Let's play. Please repeat the words water, milk, ice cream, apple, cake, cheese. Now have a look at this. Water, milk, and ice cream. Can you remember them? Please close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Ready. Open your eyes. Water, milk. What's missing? Ice cream. Good. Please close your eyes again. 1, 2, 3. Ready. Water, ice cream. What's missing? Milk. Very good. Now have a look at this. Apple, cake, cheese. Ready? Please close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, open your eyes. Cake, cheese. What's missing? Apple. Fantastic. One more time. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Ready. Apple, cheese. What's missing? Cake. Well done. Let's move on to family members. Please repeat the words mom, dad, baby, sister, brother, pet. Would you like to play a new game? So we should place the cards like this. I'll say a word, for example, baby, and you'll point it like this. Baby. Okay? Pet, mom, dad, sister, dad, brother, mom, baby. Wonderful. Let's do it faster. Dad, mom, pet, sister, pet, baby, brother, mom, sister, mom, brother. Yes, we did it. Excellent job. See you in the next video.